This is our pubic symphysis, right? And this is anterior. This is the case of shoulder dystocia. Now, first, यहाँ से शुरू करूँ, हाँ. Since shoulder dystocia, now the case starts. Shoulder dystocia is an emergency case, so it will be. I will not be able to handle it individually. I will call senior doctors. I mean, senior obstetricians, anesthesia team, and along with pediatricians, my colleagues and staff members, because it is an obstetric emergency. After calling help, and I will ensure there is a one scribe available who will measure the time of each maneuver and also note what maneuver we have done. After that, I will bring the patient on the edge of the table, and after that I will check for episiotomy if the episiotomy is given or not. If it is not given, I will give episiotomy at the mediolateral direction. And then after that I will first maneuver, that is macropers maneuver, in which I will flex the legs of mother and do the abduction. At 90% of cases, because of the diameter of pelvic increases, the baby will be delivered. Anterior shoulder will be delivered. If that fails, then I will go for applying the pubic symphysis pressure, suprapubic pressure. I will check what is the end at the posterior end of the anterior shoulder above the pubic symphysis. I will apply pressure for 30 seconds to deliver the anterior shoulder. If this suprapubic pressure fails, then I will go for Rubin's one, in which I will put two fingers behind the shoulder and pull them and push the anterior shoulder towards the chest, and in this way I will try to deliver that. If this fails, then I will go for wood screw, that I will put two fingers in posterior direction and apply the pressure on the anterior side of posterior shoulder and rotate the baby. If in this way, you can see the can be delivered, anterior shoulder will be delivered. If this fails, then I will go for reverse wood screw, that is in which I will deliver the posterior shoulder of the baby first, that by, let's see, and in this way first posterior shoulder, and this will make it possible. And if this fails, then we will go mother in the sajda position, and that is put the mother in sajda position, and then that is Gaskin maneuver. If that maneuver also fails, then we will move for and destructive process. But before destructive procedures, I will ensure that the bladder of the mother is empty by passing the Foley's catheter, and after that I will do destructive procedure, that is symphysiotomy, and then this way the baby will be delivered. And after that I will I will do active management of third stage of labor to prevent the postpartum hemorrhage, and also I will counsel the mother that she should next time deliver the baby by C-section.